Hey, so today is day 5 of my 5-day split that I'm doing on my cut. I'm doing the same amount of reps and sets every week just to maintain my strength, try to prevent muscle loss while I'm trying to shed fat. Today's upper body day. I start with an incline dumbbell bench. I'm going to go over how I do my warm-up sets, also how my form is. So my plan calls for 4 sets of 7 reps with my 50-pound dumbbells. I'm going to start my warm-up set with a set of 25-pound dumbbells, doing 12 reps. Then I'm going to switch to 35-pound dumbbells for 8 reps. Then I don't have anything heavier than 50. If I did, I would, but I'm going to grab my 50s. I'm going to do a set of 4 reps. And then after that, I should be ready for my first working set of 7 reps. All right, first warm-up set, 25-pound dumbbells. I have a set of 12 reps. Go down, control the eccentric. Get the dumbbells basically into your armpits. Pause there for a second and up. And that is 1 rep. So I will do this for 12 reps. And then on the last rep, I still control my eccentric and go down like I'm going to do another rep. And then that's it. One thing, you don't want to have your arms perpendicular to your body because that's going to hurt your shoulders. So you want to have sort of an angle somewhere around 30 to 45 degrees works for me, but whatever works comfortable for you. Just don't be perpendicular because that's what I used to do and my shoulders did not like it. Second warm-up set. I've got the 35-pound dumbbells going for 8 reps. Oh, it's also important to keep your chest up, a little bit of arch on the back. Make sure you're still seated. You don't want your ass to get up. Feet planted on the floor helps support. All right, short rest, and then I'll grab the 50s. My last warm-up set, 50-pound dumbbells. I'm not that strong, guys, but 4 reps. And then after that, I'll get into my first working set. And then I'm just gonna grind. But here we go, 4 reps, same form, same control. One. Whew. All right, and that's the right form. I'll record my first working set, but yeah, just a few things I've learned along the way. Don't ego lift, don't hurt yourself. If the rep's not controlled or your form starts breaking, stop. Later, y'all. Cheers and get sweaty.